Do you want to know how to link Instagram to Clubhouse with an Android phone? Then this video is for you. Now, I have a special hack for you. At the time of me shooting this video, Clubhouse has not rolled out the feature for Android users. So technically it's not possible. But I've had so many people ask me how they can do this that I tried to find a solution. And I have found a special hack that will allow you to do this. So make sure you watch the video until the end. I'm going to share my screen and show you how it's done. But before I share my screen, I want to tell you and give you some advance warning. You are going to need, for this to work, you are going to need access to an iPhone. It doesn't need to be your iPhone. You can borrow someone's iPhone, right? If you have a friend or maybe your partner or one of your children has an iPhone, right? You're going to need to borrow their iPhone and use it to log into Clubhouse from their iPhone, okay? That's the only problem that's the only pain, right? But if you can do that, then you are going to be able to link Instagram to Clubhouse even though you have an Android phone. So the first thing you're going to need to do is find someone with an iPhone, right? And who has Clubhouse on their iPhone. Then this person is going to have to log out of Clubhouse on their phone, right? You are then going to need to take your phone, your Android phone, go to Clubhouse and log out. And then I'm going to show you what you need to do. I'm going to share my screen. You will be set up in no time. Don't you worry. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is go on your Android on Clubhouse, right? Go to your profile, go to the settings, and then log out. Just log out. Say yes. Okay, so once you've signed out to your account on the Android phone, then you go to the iPhone and you tap on the Clubhouse account here. Now make sure that the person who's lending you their iPhone has logged out, obviously, of their Clubhouse account, right? I hope this makes sense. Then you sign in with your details, right, that you used to create your account on Android, okay? So I'm going to pause the video and do this. Okay, once you've done this, they're going to send you a new code that you've got to enter. So that is going to come by text to your Android phone, right? So you go and grab this code and enter it. I'm going to pause the video again and get back to you. Okay, now once you've done this, as you can see, you are in your account that you have on your Android phone, right? Except this time you're on an iPhone. So look what happens when I tap here. You have here the option to add Instagram. So simply tap on the little dial up here, then tap on account here, and then there you go. You can connect Instagram. That's it. Once you've done this, come out, log out of your friend's account, of the person who's lent you the iPhone, log out of your account, log back in on your Android phone, and you will be all set to go. I'll show you how this worked for me. So now look, I've gone back to my Android. I've logged back into my account. I'm going to tap here. And there you go. Down here, you can see my Instagram account is there. I did not link to Twitter because I don't have a Twitter account and I don't use Twitter. But there you go. That's it. That's how it's done. So that's quite easy, isn't it? I mean, it's a bit of a pain that you have to get your hands on an iPhone, but at least that means you can link Clubhouse and Instagram even though you're an Android user, and that's really cool. Now, Clubhouse is working hard to roll out the feature for all Android users anyway. So if you can't get access to an iPhone, don't worry too much. It's only going to be a week or two, and you will have this feature, when you log in with your Android. Do not worry about it, okay? I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. And if you have any questions about Clubhouse or about anything else that you want to know about, then please drop them in the comments below, and I'll be very happy to research it and make a video for you. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.